¿Cómo estás? How are we doing today? Or tonight? Coming to you live and direct. We are flying out to DR Punta Cana tomorrow morning. Tonight is, what is tonight? Monday the 10th. So Tuesday the 11th, 9 o'clock, we'll be flying from Kennedy to Punta Cana. We're leaving Jersey now to head over to Queens. We're gonna stay there until around 11 or so, and then we're gonna fly out to, we're gonna go to Kennedy and wait until 7. I guess that's when it's boarding and whatnot. In any case, I don't know what to expect. Been doing some reviews, a lot of reviews online about Dominican Republic. You can get robbed and all this and all that. Taxes, it's 28% taxes they charge you on top of everything, 18% for something else, and then another mandatory 10%. So basically, we did the all-inclusive to Occidental. We're not leaving the place, not buying anything. It is extremely expensive, but nonetheless, a couple things for this trip. One, I'll try to take you through the Kennedy, checking in. I'll take you to the gate. I'll take you to the flight. Taking you to when we land in Punta Cana International or whatever it is. I didn't even know the airport name. PUJ, right? Something Punta Cana. Right? We're gonna land there. I want to take you through, and we're gonna figure out what's the right name of the airport. And then I'm gonna show you how to get not an Uber, but transportation from the airport to your hotel. And this is predominantly if you do all inclusive. I don't know if you book it on your own or Airbnb. I know the Uber is very sketchy in those places. So we're gonna skip that, and we're gonna go for hotel transportation to our resort. All right, and that's it. We're gonna leave Jersey now and take a 40-minute ride to Kennedy, and yeah, and that's it. Excited. We're gonna show you what else can you see. Expect to see more snorkeling. I buy a bunch of snorkeling gear. Not too much. We're not gonna do any kind of excursion or traveling outside the hotel. I think there's one that we really want to do, which is the indigenous park where you can go and swim in like the lake or whatever it is. I don't know. We'll figure some natural pond, I guess what they call it. I don't know. I did so much research in it. I just got overwhelmed. So basically, as we approach the scene and we hit the Dominican Republic and we check out everything that there is to do or that we do, I will definitely give you the details and the correct name of everything. But this video is just an intro and a teaser of what to come. Alright, so sayonara until Dominican Republic. No, Kennedy. I'll show you Kennedy checking in and everything else. Alright, have a good night. Bye.
hold on, okay?
Turn the speaker on and start blasting music.
Barceló, swap? Here.
Yeah, you can hold on. Oh wow, this is hot. Hey, Pooh, hold it.
You have Cheetos now. Oh. Are you hot?
It's off?
Coming off, yeah.
He said I can't look at it.
You're tired, I know. Huh?
Is it not my face?
Look at what?
I got it. Take the clothes off. There's no AC and no windows. No AC, no windows.
My hair's probably pushed up already. Yeah, it is fine.
Can't really complain about your hair when you got the burn.
It's like nothing, right?
My hair is the same way, trust me. If I left this thing out, we would get it.
Yeah.
Your hair back. Yeah, last it. Where is it? Sorry?
They want everybody to be full of beach right now.
Yeah, right? Yeah, the AC doesn't work in the bus. No windows is open. Yeah, this is terrible. It's absolutely terrible. What if you pass out? Oh, you know what? Maybe it's a short distance to the yeah, but still.
Who's right there? Look, this is Punta Cana.
If this is from the oh, Punta Cana. And it's not a good representation. He's driving slow. What the hell is wrong with this dude? No, he stops. Oh my god.
Is that a...
Huh?
I love those songs.
Oh, with the thing on top?
I love that.
Oh, you gotta take a picture of this one.
I did.
I can't take a picture. Like, oh, yeah, I'll take a picture.
I think I'm gonna like Aruba better, but I'm about to find out.
What did you say? What did you say?
I think I like Aruba better.
You like Aruba better? Yeah, make those statements like
I
that.
haven't even tried it yet.
Correct. That's why you can't be doing that.
I'm gonna do it as I find out.
I'll stop.
Mom, is this a hotel?
Money.
No, it's in the airport.
No, is this a hotel?
As soon as you come up immigration, you hit duty free. You won't be buying it?
Maletero. Ok, voy a estar aquí esperando.
Hey, cool. Stay here. Oh, we don't need anything.
No. We got all our junk here? Yeah, we have. Yep.
So,
Alexander's here too.
B and D, right? B and D. B.
And D.
Okay. Got it. All right, look for our buddies. All right, so we just exited immigration, and we passed. The first place we passed is the duty-free place, and the second place we passed is the carousel. If you're doing all-inclusive, they're gonna give you a tour, not a tour, but a pickup group. Ours were B and D, so we picking those. Oh, sure. Check this out. Hey, Pooh. You want me to ask or no?
They're probably outside. Like last time.
Is this exit? Hey, Nicole, is this the? I don't think it's the exit.
It says exit.
It says exit. Exit is that way.
Where?
Oh,
You can ask
are they
us
exit?
that.
Yeah, with the polo shirt, and they would have a drip. Yeah.
So once you do all-inclusive, they'll tell you the transportation service that is going to take you from the airport to the hotel. So when you exit in the hotel, the airport, you go up to this room. It's a big room. And for us, it's BD Experience. That's our, not necessarily a tour, it is the transportation service from the airport to our hotel, which is Occidental. So, I don't know what we need to do, but basically, we stand in line. Despegar. What does Despegar mean? So I have Google Translate.
Hi. We're getting the bus to leave to go to Occidental.
Yeah, you need to check first, and you're looking for me on the outside.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Which side? John, follow mommy, please. Oh, yeah, look. JetBlue Vacations. No way. Alright, so just figure out something that says, like right there, if you can see. JetBlue.
Yeah.
JetBlue. JetBlue Experience right there.
Our name is on the list.
And this will be on the list. And that's it. It's easy as it gets. So when you hit the counter, right, you need the confirmation number or email. Hey Pooh, was it in the email or the app? So if you're doing all inclusive, if you're doing the all inclusive and you went through JetBlue Vacations or Delta Vacations, just log into your portal and you'll have the confirmation number. Have that ready before going up to the counter. It'll save you a lot of time. Yeah, that's it. But if you're not doing any all-inclusive through JetBlue or Delta or anything, then you can just forget about this step. But if you are, have everything ready, you'll be set to go. Okay. All right. As you exit the tour place, we're gonna run into, we're gonna run into all the where the taxis are. BD
BD Experience. No, it's not here. It's all good.
No. We got them already.
Diamond. We gotta look for BD Experience now.
All the way down.
Oh, thank you. And then from here, walk straight, man. Come on, follow mommy.
Sir, bus number?
Which one? Air Canada?
Anyone?
Follow mommy. Oh, there. So I guess when you meet the guy here, you're gonna load you up on the bus and take you to the hotel. All right, let's see if that works. I guess he got to check you in now.